Hello everyone, how are you? Hope all of you are be happy and safe at home. Okay, now today I am going to start with the topic statistics chapter 18. Okay, now this chapter we have already learned from class 6, 7 and 8 also. So now let me explain about the distributions of data first. Okay, that means how to arrange the data in the different format. So let me explain from the beginning. So first it is the distributions of data, that is called the basic concepts. Now there are basically two types of distributions of data. One is called ungrouped data and second one is called group data. The ungrouped data is also known as individual distributions. Let me some example related to the individual distributions. Examples: marks obtained by 19 students in an exam out of 10. That means students has obtained marks out of 10. Here I have collected about the 19 students. Okay, what does mean by individual distributions? If I am asking one by one your marks obtained out of 10, is it clear? And that marks I have collected over here. So here it is 4, 3, 5, 6, 5, 6, 5, and all these are the marks obtained by the 19 students. So this informations is known as ungrouped data or individual distributions. And now the second one, it is the group data. There are two types of group data. One is called discrete distributions and second one is continuous distributions. But in your book, discrete distributions and continuous distributions are both same. But in higher classes, when you will learn about the statistics, that time you will learn in a different format, that is the discrete and continuous. Now here it is the individual, and now how to convert this individual distributions into the discrete distributions. Let's see here. So A, it is the discrete distributions. Marks we are representing over here x, variable x, and frequency about f and tally marks. This column you know that in earlier classes. So here marks, if I am asking how many of you are getting 3 marks out of 10, that means just all of you raise your hand and I will count to all of the students, those who get 3 marks out of 10. That means 3 marks, students those who get 3 marks, there are 4 students. That means 3 marks of students who get 3 marks are 4. So corresponding tally mark is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, marks obtained of 4 are 3. Marks obtained of 5 are 4. Marks obtained of 6 are 8. And here it is the tally marks. Hope all of you know this thing. Now, after discrete distributions, the second part, it is the continuous distributions of the group data. So in continuous distributions, we have provided one class interval. That means I have considered the class interval of 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8. That means here 0 to 2, that means 2 is not included. Less than 2 are included. That means see here, there is no marks obtained less than 2. That means corresponding frequency is 0. Therefore, no tally mark will be here. And now here 2 to 4. That means here 4 will not included but 2 is included. That means less than 4 marks have collected over here. That means 2 to 4. That means 2 is included up to 3. That means what? Only 4. Therefore, write the 4 and corresponding tally marks. In the same way, 4 to 6, 6 will be not included. So 4 to 6, that means what? 4 is included. So here it is the 3 and 4 are also included. So 4 plus 3 will be what? 7. So 7 is the, about the 7 it is the tally mark. And 6 to 8. 8 is not included. That means up to, that means less than 8. That means up to 6. So add them. So this will be only what? 8. Is it clear? So you consider over here, it is the 6 to 8, it is the what? 8. And just it is the tally mark. Okay. So how all of you are able to learn about the grouped data. So now the number 2 types of frequency distributions. See, there is the inclusive distributions and what? Inclusive, and second one is the exclusive. In inclusive, the class interval are not continuous. It is in the form of continuous, but it is not in the form of inclusive exclusive way. That means, see here, it is the 10, it is the 11, 20, 21, both are not common. Here it is also not common, that means not coincide. Then this is called inclusive distributions. And see here, it is the exclusive example. See the class interval 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. That means these two data, 20, 20, 30, 30, 30, and definitely here will be the 40 up to 50. Then these two data will be coincide. So this is called the exclusive data. Now, if the distribution it is in the form of inclusive, we need to convert in the form of exclusive. Therefore, we need to find the adjustment. And even we know that this part is called the lower limit and this part it is called the upper limit. Okay. Here it is the lower limit, upper limit, lower limit, upper limit. So, if we need to convert from inclusive to exclusive, first we need to find the adjustment for inclusive distributions. How to find adjustment factor? The first, it is denoted by AF. So lower class interval of lower limit. Lower class interval, this is the lower class interval, this is the upper class interval. So lower class interval of lower limit, that means 11. And upper class interval, that means this is the upper class interval of upper limit, that means 10. You can consider any two. Choice is your, these two or these two or these two, choice is your. So I have considered this column is inclusive and this column is exclusive. That means I have converted from inclusive to exclusive. See here, 1 to 10, 11 to 20, that means here it is the 10 to 11. That means this is a word. This is a not coincide. So this is a inclusive distributions. So now, how to convert this inclusive into the exclusive? So first you find AF, that means adjustment factor. So what it is written? Lower class interval of lower limit, it is the 11, and upper class interval of upper limit, it is what? 10. So 11 minus 10, this is 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. 0.5. That means we need to subtract each lower limit of the inclusive data subtracted by 0.5 and added 0.5 in each of the inclusive upper class limit. Is it clear? That means I have done the first class interval, that means 1 minus 0.5 to 10 plus 0.5. It will come 0.5 and it will come 10.5. In the same way, 11 minus 0.5 will be 10.5. 20 plus 0.5 will be 20.5. In the same way I have done over here, you can see it. Here will be 21. So 21 minus 0.5 will be what? 20.5. And 30 plus 0.5 will be 30.5. In the same way, 31 minus 0.5 will be 30.5 and 40 plus 0.5 will be 40.5. So this is all about the distributions of data. Is it clear? So I hope all of you are able to do the exercise. Which one? Chapter 18. So do exercise 18A. Okay. So all of you try to do this exercise, and next I will start the what? Chapter number 19, mean and median. Okay. Please make a note.